Hi guys, today I am going to set up a gate for our kids because she just start crawling, and then we have a first floor that we would like to close so she doesn't fall from the stairs. We just got this gate from a friend. So it's used and no instruction of how to put it on. And of course, probably if I search for it, you will find some installation guide, but I would like to do something my own because like you can see, there are some frames on the bottom of the wall that will not fit perfectly since we want to put it all the way down so there is no space under, so she can go under the gate. So in this case I have designed or just cut a small piece of wood that will be sitting here like that, and then we will screw the gate on the top of it like that. So then we at the same time we protect the piece on the bottom of the wall, and also we will make only the holes on the wall, but then it's more easy to repair. Okay, so first thing I will start is to measure the distance between this one and this one, which they will be, these two pieces will be sitting on it. So one of them will be sitting here, this one that will be sitting here, like that, and the other one will be sitting here like this. So I have to measure the distance between these holes and these holes here, so we can start screwing them on the wood piece. So I can just say from the top hole to middle of the top wall until on that one is 81.3. Then we write it down. 81.3. Then we measure also the inside. Then this is 76. Inside. We measure one more time just to make sure. So what we do is, right now we have to screw this one here and the other one here. So right now I will just take the measurements. I can take it all the way from here. I can say the out part was something, we can just have it little space in this one, and then we can start, let's say, from here. We put the on it, one of them. So we have the points. Now we measure from the out point, and we set to be 80.2. This one, and this one was 6. Okay. Then we have to make sure they are in the middle. So that's okay. Yes. Great. Okay, the pieces are now ready. Then we will need to make some holes here. Can be a little bit far from the gate, like this. Then we measure. Then it's exactly in the middle. Then we make some marks. Okay. We have made the points. Okay, now we will make the holes on the wall. Usually, in order to not to cut so deep, I usually measure the distance here, and then I put the mark here just to make sure I don't go more in, because otherwise the this plug will go all the way in and it won't be nice for the screw. So we just put this one here, and then I take this one. Then in order to not to make so much mess, I will turn on the vacuum cleaner, and then while I am making the hole, I will just suck the dust that is coming under. So let's turn it on. Okay, then let's try. And then we do the same to the next one. So the next one is also done. Okay, now we have the piece ready, the holes, and now we are going to put the piece here. We just screw it in. To the hole, and then we take the other one, just screw it here. We have to make sure we still have it in the middle. So now it's ready. Great. Okay, this piece is ready, and now we are going to put this two pieces and then see how it fits. So then we take this one and screw it here. Then we take the other screw. This is also done. Then we take the next two. Okay, so it's everything done. And let's try it out if it will clutch perfect. Then do like this. And now we have to put these two pieces on the other side with the same trick, so we can hold the gate when we are on the other side. Okay, we have some smaller screws. We just have to check it doesn't go through that. So we just screw them. This has to come in, and this one has to go just a little bit there. Then we will release, take it out and remove. And then if you want to put again, we do like this. We will go and then we'll go under. Okay, let's make sure it works. Then does this one. Then okay, now our project is completed. Let's make a test. So we activate the timer from here, and we have to drag it and put it here and take it down and leave it. Then the timer will run out and will block it. And now we have a nice gate for our kit. Then when we want to release it and we don't want to use it, we activate it first here, and then we take it out from there, and this will go down. The other thing with this is that when I push the safety, I have to be very fast to put it, and then I need to use two hands almost, because sometimes it's hard to put it inside all the way there with one hand. So then you can see you have to do like this, and then you have to be very quick with before the safety goes back. Then of course it's a fabric. There is always a risk if the kids comes and stand up on this and push like that. It's kind of I would be afraid to have my kid standing on this one, even though it's there is a safety on this, but I kind of feel like if she stays here, it will something happen. And you can see this one is just got loose here, and then more you push it, more ugly will look in the future. So in my opinion, I would put this one, for example, not on the stairs, but maybe between the doors, like are suggested also on the internet when you are looking for it. It's more maybe for between the doors and not for the stairs. Now you just saw our 4.5-year-old kid just simply open this one. So this is another reason, for example, I wouldn't put it on the stairs. I would rather put it between the door. Even though your bigger kid opens this one, still there is a low risk for the small baby to go out. Thank you guys for watching. I will put some link on the description of my video, where you can have a look at it, and if you like, you can purchase it from there. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.